Jamaica Good Life. Right now we're gonna check Indians. Mark over Jamaica Good Life. All I really want now is a good wife. Look on the trees and the thing, and say Mark, I do the thing, and this are the seaside. See him there? See him there, people? See the king there? Hey! You're good? I put in some work. Me see you pushing, man. Me see you do the thing, We're gonna move over here, so, and check out people. This is Indian. We're going to Indian spot now. So in Indian house, yes, wow, my brother. So this is what they have to look forward to when they come to Jamaica. Whoa, you're roasting a fish. Indian, how come you never invite me over before, brother?
Oh, there's a bit, right? Oh.
So you put them on the side?
Yeah, because Joe, me on fry. I'm going to fry that now. We got shot in the area. Pick up yourself, black man. My brothers, hell is the plan for you. Discover. Come on. Prayers for you, man, and your family. Reminisce on back in the day. It was all so simple then. We all came and black skin originally dissect the trend. Let's leave it, if not for us. Jamaica, Davis, man. Yeah, watch out, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me there, man. Yeah, man. Try for this in here,
What's wrong with you?
I'm just tired here, guys. Long live to the island.
No banana.
Old banana.
I'm not ready, boy, next 10 minutes.
How are you in there? You ain't going?
The real Indian. So you have your seasoning. So basically, you cook for them come and buy your thing.
Yeah.
This is real Jamaica right now. Right at the seaside in MoBay. You can't sit on the bench. Them can't sit on the bench then. This is for me? Oh wow. People. Look how the people them love my mom. Wow. Whoa! Are they seasoning where you put?
Natural.
Natural.
Great. Them like Maggie them have 2 powder MSG and it.
You do them? Tomato paste.
Like black pepper.
So when we can't get one of them, bring me out.
Can't get no.
Can't get them a bite.
Rip.
I
want money to fix the tire. Can't get the product back. Pay my money and go.
Tire shop. Normally, how long it takes for roast a beef?
About 15 minutes, 10 minutes.
15 minutes done.
5 minutes of fish roast. She never get a cut. One son to expire. That you a lamp pull up. Give it up, me a figure to his own. Put you act like a champion. Act like a champion. What a piece of body gun. Tell me where you get it from. Not find your entrance. Ram pa 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 pa.
Give them your number slowly.
366 52 94. 366 52 94.
Well done, King. Turn on the music, listen. We want to set your thing right. Indian. So I send them to you. King, I film so you can go over there so you don't want to put you in there. Whoa! Alright people, turn on the radio listen to me please. I'm wanting to get your number good. Alright, to the world. This is Indian. He's at the Seaside. You have to come to Indian Kitchen. Book your flight early. You're here sometimes until like 12 in the night.
Yeah, anytime. Especially on the weekend. Please, can't go back there and share them. My sharing will come by.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I mean, the dough seasoning.
Alright, so you season the flour already?
Yeah. Yeah, man, that's spice already.
So it's Indian Kitchen.
Yeah? So early.
Okay, so you know, so I never really, I never see it, you know, so I never know say you.
Okay.
I never know. Yeah. So every morning you.
Yeah, man, yes, you call it. Yes, you call it every morning.
Oh, so this is a shop. So when them, okay, Indian, I never know what you're doing your more time. I said, what on this? I never know. So what you sell, like what? Roast fish? What?
Yeah, roast fish, fried fish, fritters, vegetable. I mean, all type of natural stuff.
So now, if them forward late from them flights, them just call you and tell you how much people are come. You buy the lobster, everything for them, and deal with it. Give them the number slow again, loud.
366 52 94. That's my number. 366 52 94.
Alright, wipe off your mouth side, no look sir.
Yeah,
fix up your collar. People, see the one dumpling there? See the lobster there? See the roast fish there? See the seasoning there? So now where you are putting out the dumpling?
Now we are putting the fish there.
Saltfish?
Yeah.
So that's where you are waiting for. So you buy here a lot. So what you call this dumpling?
Fritters.
Fritters?
Yeah.
You're a different, you're a stylist.
Yeah, nuclear fritters.
Nuclear fritters.
Yeah.
That's your style.
Yeah.
Because me not see fritters do like this. The more time I see the man them buy a little dumpling, them how much you sell one of them now?
Different. 50 Jamaican dollar.
But in the US dollars it's about $4 for one, right?
Yeah, about $4.
Yeah, right. So when you yeah, you can't say
Yeah, in a real life.
This is Jamaica Good Life, it's not a good life.
Yeah, man.
See, it's Jamaica Good Life. Yeah, make tea too?
Yeah, man, we make tea too, man. Coffee and bush tea, man.
Indian brother, I'm proud of you, no brother. Come on, them buy everything. You sell cigarette, you sell alcohol. See the people? If you want to drink with the family, go out in, roast your shrimp and thing. This is Randy for Jamaica Good Life, the girls them candy. Big up to Sunday. No, yo, this a light, yo Indian. Me never know say I go after brother. Me never know so. My mother don't eat out the road, you know.
Because guess what, all type of season that the food I'm out the road. Seeds where I run from, you know, the spice. I made it. Okay, yeah man, you see the food that you buy on the road, it's have all type of season that you don't need. I don't know what the guys put in the food. So you better to cook your food or go to some natural restaurant. You know, because a lot of people end up with the same sickness by the same food. You know what I mean? You have to wise up. You know what I mean? Yeah, don't carry your belly in your hand. Yeah, that's it. Yeah man, we have to, you be sure, you know, people are waiting for the Jamaican Pizza them. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Wow. So when you fry them for the whole day?
No, until certain time. Yeah, because I like the people them hot and spicy.
Yeah.
And hot, you know, it's more nice, but when cold, still tastable, but when it's hot, you know, I more like it better, you know.
Yeah, do you think that's so?
Yeah, man. That's right.
So this is the real. This is the real BBC. The real Jamaica Good Life. And then you could So let me show now. See there? So when you come out, that's all. When you buy on a fish. Is it? So the fish. Yeah man, this is the place. See right here, one little shop here. This is it, this is the Seaside. So now having a family Indian, part of the Good Army, and crew dive. One more, may I wait till one and dumpling I done in a brother. For taste it.
Yeah, bumper.
We get you out there, man. We get you out to the world.
Sure.
The world have to see you. The world have to see you, man. The world have to see you, man.
You know, say, I need a come back on my picture and have a man say, God, America, and he go among some people, them, and did it for like a couple of weeks. He got make some of my fritters in our house. I know, sir. I'm about to kick out the other week and the other 2 weeks. I must say, yo, I need to go do some of them fritters there. Man say, one bag you need, you never make one bag of flour. Man say, put it on the machine and spin it. I make some big man can show it. I must say, I know I'm not talking like about the shot. Yeah, man can tell me show, brother. You see me? Yeah, man. The thing they all over already, man. I really like, yeah, man, I tell her, I'm big dance, you know, party, and the man, you see, when I'm up that thing, I'm fine here. You like to see how the man will cook the bread, the man will cook the soup, the man will cook the chicken, everybody different, man, kind of over there, stand. I like all how the way of them DVD, different, that's all. Yeah. And the course of the low here,
so it's a slow cook, you make it fried slow.
Yeah. Timely, you know, apple soap, golden brown, you know what I mean? Golden brown.
Real Jamaican cooking. Real original thing.
No, you have the lobster grill on my bottom. Yeah, no joke there, not.
No joke.
Yeah, no joke, not in my thing, man.
People, this is Indian.
Yeah.
Now, how long you been here? How many years?
It's about 8 years, but you know, like from my mother days, I like from my barn. You know, so we are talking about 40-something years now over here. You understand? Yeah,
so you're like a...
My mother, it was my mother doing this. You know what I mean? So, you know, I just bring in the back.
You continue the tradition.
Yeah.
So now you're like a super cat character.
Sure. You know what I mean? Advance, you know, we take forth the thing to another level. You know what I mean? You know it's going better, you know?
Yeah.
You buy liquor. But study, you know, the shed, you just want to finish do the shed. In, have the accommodation, the funds them. Yeah, you know, so you guys don't worry about accommodation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Indian, so I can rent yourself from you. Let me rent yourself, no? I want to rent it, you know.
Electrical.
That one there?
Electrical.
Electrical?
Yeah, you have to plug.
I'm going to get a big extension then.
Yeah.
I want to cut some things. Where can I rent tools in MoBay? I have a list still.
I think, man, I don't serve.
I have a list.
Yeah, we can't, our man runs, so we don't have to check him. I don't serve if you rent tool. But I can tell you, I check up on him. I'm shocked.
I never know, say I say I go on, man, so I can look like man. Say you like this up frequently.
Yeah, man, yeah, regular, man, like every day.
I know just one time you cook all through the day.
Yeah,
fried dumpling.
Yeah, once, like how we do it now. Like, we just do a first set and people gone, and next fresh people come, we just start again because we have the product ready. You know what I mean? So we just go on the freezer and just take whatever.
So what you need to do, you know, take picture of each and bring a big poster and just line them.
You know what we're going to do? You call it menu list. We're going to do a menu list.
But even just line the picture of them, so them know when them come.
Exactly, they know how to ask the way to ask.
Yeah.
Just shows.
Because this is a very special thing. So, what you call it? Nuclear?
Yeah, nuclear fritters.
Nuclear fritters.
Yeah. Only done by Indian.
Only done by Indian in Jamaica. This is a nuclear fritters. Special season, special thing, can't show the secret.
Yeah.
You know, you have to
we think copyright.
You think copyright?
Yeah, so don't try to steal it.
Don't try to steal it.
Yeah, this thing copyright, don't try.
Don't try to steal it. This is the
serious thing.
Up and running outside, with the outside from the seaside. You see me? This is Jamaica Good Life, it's not a good life. Yeah, don't steal it.
Don't steal my thing. My thing copyright.
No copy wrong around yourself.
Yeah.
You know, so that dumpling is soon done. Bing! Yo,
you don't play, man.
Nuclear fritters.
Yeah, this is the nuclear, man. Right here, man. Right on River Bay Road, beach.
Wow.
Yeah, the finest. You know what I mean? Seaside finest.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm loving it. This is
Seaside
definitely
finest.
This is definitely, you get me all hyped up now, India.
Yeah, man.
This is definitely Jamaica Good Life. I see how you're living.
Yeah, man.
I see what you're doing. You never, you've been hiding from me, my brother. See the people. And you eat the food. And you eat out the food out of the pot. Yeah, hot.
Let this thing pop, man. I mean,
Wow.
so already at foot. Yeah, we don't let this thing pop, man.
No, it got international, so price gone up now.
Yeah, price gone up, man.
100 for each flour now, you know.
Well, when you gone up with it there?
That one stage and saltfish.
Okay.
You know? You know, pick your head, you know?
Proud of you, man. Proud of you. You see all the bread? Y'all wait. You wait for this. Y'all wait too. You've come from afar to just have the food. Okay.
No, we all got the folks lined up like this, man.
Okay.
Have the nigga circle like 10 times, man.
Them line up.
The nigga need to come, man. They need to know, man. Yeah, this is Jamaica, man. This is my fans over there, too. Yeah, he circle 10 times. Stop at you right there, too.
Okay. This is the crew.
Long time.
Wow. Circle people. See that nuclear.
Yeah, man. Some people call it Calypso. Some call it Jamaican Pizza. We got so many names, man. Yeah, even if you go as far as call it Waffle Dyke.
Waffle what?
Waffle Dyke.
Yo, brother is natural.
And that soak up the oil over there, sir.
Okay.
Now, man.
You soak up the oil.
Yeah. We cook different from another chef in town.
Yes.
Yeah.
Them chef there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, the master chef around here, man. Let's get in a pocket. How much pick up? Go on up.
Have to promote Indian man.
How much are
You know my brother, I'm proud. Hey. Proud of you, brother.
I'm not into something, man.
From nothing to something.
Man.
Whoa, wow. What
it
you
is.
say, bro?
Don't stall
it. Don't stall it.
This is coloring. Martin copyright, man.
Man, copyright.
This is coloring, man.
Don't stall it, man.
Don't play, man.
Don't stall it. Don't stall it. And you that?
Yeah, mad is this.
Wow. Just like that. See, everybody at the seaside do something unique.
Yeah. They all have to do one thing, you know.
Everybody do them one thing.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
Yeah.
when you go one place you get one thing, another place you get another
You have to do different stuff, you know what I mean?
Don't stall it.
Yeah, don't stall it.
Whoa. There, people.
Yeah, good.
Don't stall it. You better hold it.
Call a lobster.
Yeah, man.
Go and see it.
So no money I saw live, you know.
Yeah, man, we live lavish.
They must say Jamaica crime. They
Yeah,
don't know
man.
about that side
We
there.
live in lavish right here.
They don't know about that side there, what you say?
Yeah, we live in lavish. Yeah.
At the seaside of MoBay.
Yeah, man. People talk about crab meat. We eat crab meat every day, man.
Every day.
We eat crab meat every day.
We gonna
Man.
live like kings.
We lavish, man. The nigga need to come and live somebody's life. You don't have to have money like that, man.
Wow. Make sure the next one you serve on my one, you know. But I sell out the thing.
No.
Wow. And you chop up a planting in
Yeah,
there.
man, this is what it is, man.
Okay. Let's see how you deal with the oil, you know.
Yeah, man.
I like the style, you know, because move that. The
More
fire
healthy.
low.
Yeah,
Everything
more
about the
healthy.
coal fire. Slow.
More healthy, you know what I mean?
To the coal fire people.
Yes, man.
Okay, because regular fire can't do this.
No. And this more nice than the gas. You know what I mean? This is no gas. You know, this is coal or log wood.
Yeah.
This is what we use. You know what I mean? You revitalize when you eat this food, man.
Yeah. Nice. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
I got some escabeche right here. Too.
Wow. And you make the money?
Wow, yeah, this is escabeche.
Okay, wow. Indian, I say you go on, brother.
What it is, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Escabeche.
Add one of those to my bill, bro.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, man, bring it forward for me. Give me one Indian from. I want you to put one beside my dumpling and some thing, you know what I said, bro?
Okay, watching that lobster. Close back.
So that lobster for one guy over there.
Yeah.
Give us a meantime now. Yo,
Yeah, T.
who don't want my meantime?
I know you're ready. I know the lobster is ready.
Ready, man.
Yeah. Come on, lobster ready. I'm waiting.
Whoa, wow.
Starball and right over
Wow,
there.
this is Jamaica
This
Good
is my
Life.
World Cup friend, man, right here.
We can't film him now.
Yeah, Jamaica to the World Cup. Look at him good right here. Mr. T right there.
Eh?
Yeah, you put the video on Mr. T.
No, we can't do it, man. You know, on video. All right, brother. So what you say? How much more oil?
That's one blue money.
Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that.
Pack them good enough.
Eh?
Pack them nice.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. What's your name?
Scott.
Scott.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm Randy.
Randy.
Yes, sir.
From St. James.
I'm from all over the world.
Over the world.
Yeah, I'm a man of the world. The earth is mine. And all the girls. You need more.
Blue money, me mean $1,000.
Yeah, and $1,000 clean fish.
Yeah, man, 150 a pound.
150. Oh, okay. So what we have there so far?
Give thanks. Give thanks.
We good?
One more now.
But we give the last 50.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
I'm satisfied.
You're good?
I'm satisfied.
No, I'm giving you the last one. You know why? Because that's spiritual.
Okay.
You're gonna make a lot of money after that. Okay?
Okay.
Peace and love. Until next time. Be kind.
Yes, man. You know
All right. Be kind.
Always.
So now give them your number so when they want the fish to clean them, come to you.
Yeah, okay.
What's your number?
My number? I'm gonna give it.
And don't make nobody talk foolishness. The
Yes,
woman
sir.
them might call you too.
Yes, sir.
Because they want a fisherman from the sea.
All right,
We
sir.
don't ask them for no car or no money.
money, yeah.
Just give them love.
All right,
Plenty, you see? Because they go and call and say they want a fisherman.
I still give you my number before you go.
Good, don't move. All right?
Yeah,
Let me
right.
know it.
Yeah, okay.
See the people. See the Indian. Boom. See the.
Come on.
I bring these to mom.
Yeah, man, look good.
You see me?
Look good.
People at the seaside, you know. At the A side and on the Bayside. You see me? At the A side and on the Bayside.
My number.
See the number for the man there. Alright. Same number there for the one on the fish. Clean. Everybody I get promoted. Scott. So you're a fisherman also?
Yes, sir.
So them can call you for fish too?
Yes, sir.
Scott. Fresh.
Every time.
Alright, see me I promote everybody. Prime Minister come check them. Because if you want to get back in the office, you have to come check them. Alright, Scott, it's a pleasure.
Anytime.
Thank you so much.
luck.
Be nice.
Give love.
Be nice.
Yes, sir.
Alright. One love. Alright, Indian, you know what I say?
You heard it.
Set me up with a big plate. Sit. Yeah, wow. You know what I say? When we come around here, so we spend off all the money on fishing. You know why? Because we buy too much alcohol.
Alcohol, don't. So we
Buy
have to
too
eat.
much.
Eat for the eat your money,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, stop drink out the damn money and
Yeah,
stuff.
man. So eat your money.
You know, man, no, me know say a food you deal
Yeah, man.
with. Can't always that. You have to balance it. You know
Balance,
me, I
of
say.
course,
Can't always that. You know me, I say. Everybody gets love around here. So people, this is Jamaica Good Life, not a Cub life. Not a push life and not a shove life. Eh? We're not fighting and fussing. We're not loud nice and cussing. You know me, I say. Whoa! You see Sila, you see it there? I see your niceness.
Yeah, sure.
Ow.
Yeah, bro,
Shaking up, son. We're shaking up. We're shaking
Now
up.
go wait, man.
We're shaking up. Look on the life. The life is enough. Look on the Indian. Them
Yeah, I will wait on the floor, John.
That's good. It's enough. Wow, 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 wow. Yo, the energy, heavy Indian.
Yeah.
The energy heavy. Heavy. It's like breaking the water, breaking the levee. The energy heavy. People. This is Jamaican Good Life. Indian. You have to pour me a drink, you know. Indian. Pour me a drink too. When you're done. Give me the rum and the thing. Alright, and the other thing. But we can't touch this without the drink. Salute. Hey, and put a drink on the thing for the Monday for me, you see me? Yeah, me link it tomorrow, yeah? Yes, people, you're watching Jamaica Good Life, not a cook life, not a push life, not a shove life. No quarrel, no fight.
Yeah, you're watching one of Jamaican finest cook. Yeah, one of Jamaican finest cook.
Alright, we did it.
Bayside finest.
This is the A side, not the B side. This is at the Seaside.
Finest.
You saw me I say? The A side, not the B side, at the Seaside from Brooklyn, New York to MoBay. You know what I say? Boom. See, alright, the people have come. Indian, the baby that look like yours, you know. So until next time, sign out and give them your phone number.
Yeah, 336-5294.
One love.
Yeah, man, that's my digits, man.